Hi everyone, this is David Sandmore, and on behalf of Philippe Lecoute and myself, welcome to another quick win training. And today what we're going to be going through is mobile wallet and Google Analytics and how to add Google Analytics tracking code into mobile wallet. So what you can do is track the customer journey. Where do people install your mobile wallet passes from? How effective is that marketing or that particular channel? So that what you can do is create reports on, number one, how many people have installed your mobile wallet pass, whether or not they've clicked on links on the back, and whether that ends up in a purchase or not. So for those of you that don't know mobile wallet, it is a very untapped communication channel where a lot of the biggest 5-star brands in the world are using it for things like loyalty, ticket events. I know Major League Baseball, Wembley Stadium, a lot of places use it for ticketing, Booking.com use it for hotel reservations, and in the past we've used it for brick and mortar loyalty programs. We also use it on the biggest internet launch in history for Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi and Russell Brunson, where we actually generated an extra 13 million, or just under an extra $13 million in sales in revenue by the use of mobile wallet. So it has its place in the marketing landscape, and what I want to show you today in this quick win is how to add the Google Analytics code into mobile wallet. So let's hop over to the dashboard, and what you're looking at here is the data context training pass. So below this video there is a link where when you click on that link you can install this training pass onto your iPhone or onto your Android phone, and every time we do a quick win live training, what we'll do is we'll send you a push notification letting you know that we're going live or we are live. Obviously we will respect your time zone, so if we're live when you're sleeping we won't send you a push notification. So to install this pass, to see how it works, then click the link below and install the pass. So what we have here, and I'm not going to dig too much into the workings of mobile wallet. What I want to do is I want to show you how to add the Google Analytics tracking code. So obviously you do have to have Google Analytics set up, and we've got this for our Data Quantix website, which is the tracking and reporting software that we use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here. As you can see, I'm in the 01 live top of funnel awareness view. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to admin, and then I'm going to come over to the second column here, which is property, and I'm going to click on tracking info and then tracking code. And then what I'm going to do, you'll have the tracking ID, which is what a lot of software will ask you for. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this global site gtag.javascript. So I'm going to grab that there. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to come back over to mobile wallet. So for those of you that do have a mobile wallet account with us, then all you need to do is come over to distribution, branding, click on branding, and then in this bottom part here where it's got custom HTML/CSS, we're going to paste that in there, and then we're going to click save. So all well and good that we've got that in there, but what we want to do is we want to test whether or not that is actually working. So what I've done is in this particular Google Analytics development tools website, so it's ga-dev-tools.web.app. This is a UTM URL builder. So this is the sign up page for mobile wallet. Now, whether or not you're doing it direct to the sign up page or whether or not you're doing it in ManyChat, when people click on the link to install the pass, it will fire that Google Analytics code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link here. So as you can see, the generated URL here, I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to paste that into a window. So here, what you can see at the top is the UTM source equals Facebook, UTM medium is organic, and the campaign is Google Analytics quick win. So that's a UTM that I've set up for this particular training, just to demonstrate in Google Analytics how that works. So when I click enter, that is going to take me to the sign up page for this particular training pass. Now, what I want to do is I want to check, is that working? So what I do is I come over to Google Analytics, I want to come over to real time and the overview, and it should show, which it is, that there is one user and that the active page is membership.omnichannelfunnels.com. So what I can actually do as well in real time is I can check the traffic sources, which is the UTM. So as you can see, the source, as I put in the campaign builder, the source is Facebook, medium is organic, and then campaign GA quick win. So here we're seeing within Google Analytics, the source is Facebook and the medium as organic. And I can then drill down deeper to look at what campaigns are helping with mobile wallet installs, with people that you're sending to specific, it could be, again, warm-up pages for a webinar. It could be day one challenge of day, there's 5 days and a challenge. It could be day one. So what you can do by using and inserting the Google Analytics code into mobile wallet, you can then use Google Analytics in conjunction with reporting software like Data Quantix, where what you can do is get a bird's eye view of how effective your mobile wallet marketing is, and where are they installing it from? Are they installing it from organic posts, YouTube videos, blog posts, videos like this? And what you can do is track all of that. So that's it for today's quick win. And any questions, leave them below this video. Now, below this video, again, there is a link to install our All Access Training Pass. And when you do that, what you will get is a push notification from us when we do these quick wins. And these quick win trainings are going to be on multiple different topics. So, for example, yesterday I did one on Google Analytics and Facebook ads. Today is on mobile wallet. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing something on ManyChat. So it's going to be an ongoing training series where quickly you can go through, and eventually there will be a members area where you can go through the sections of each of the different software stacks that we use, and obviously we will take requests. So if you do have any requests for quick win tutorials on software that you use, then please let us know in the comments, and we will do, again, quick win tutorials that enable you to very quickly take action and implement something that long term is going to get you great results. So on behalf of Philippe and myself, that's it for today, and we will catch up with you pretty soon, probably tomorrow. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.